And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 25, verse 12 up to 18. Ishmael was the son of Abraham and Hagar, the slave woman of Sarah. Ishmael had 12 sons in this order: Nabiot, Kedar, Abdel, Mibsam, Mishma, Duma, Masa, Hadad, Tema, Jetur, Napish, and Kedema. Each of Ishmael's sons was a tribal chief, and a village was named after each of them. Ishmael had settled in the land east of his brothers, and his son settled everywhere from Havilah to Shur, east of Egypt, on the way to Ashur. Ishmael was 137 when he died. So in this passage, we can see the fulfillment of the promises of the God to Ishmael, because Abraham also cared for Ishmael. That's the son of Ishmael. The mother of Ishmael is Hagar, and we all knew that Abraham also worried for the future of Ishmael. But the Lord promised that he as a God will take care of the Ishmael's future, and that's what happened here.